Planet Plumbing strives to bring you the best in plumbing, and in the service industry experience. Any plumbing problem you have, we will be more than happy to resolve any with the help of our exceptional team. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say about us. Jeff Middleton says, "Thanks. Great job. Polite and professional on the telephone. They arrived on time and explained exactly what they were going to do, and the problem was fixed within an hour. Excellent work, I am very happy." Cheri Mustin says, "Woke up to a real mess on Sunday morning. Planet Plumbing came within the hour, fixed the sewer line, and did a wonderful job. Technician was very nice and efficient, couldn't ask for better service. We are dedicated to ensuring that your experience with our plumbers, especially in your home, is comfortable and informative. Contact us today for any plumbing needs."